Greetings from RV Station Katy with this beautiful 2023 Durango Gold by KZ 382 MBQ Mike Bravo Queen. Nice water heater, diverter valves, single septic, full storage. This particular model equipped with the 6,500 watt Onan. The Kurt Flex Air pin box up in the front, and as you can see, well lit with marker lights, 6-point automatic leveling system. This one has the premium Offgrid package, which is the larger lithium ion, Xantrex solar, all Xantrex system, smart battery with Bluetooth. The steps for the rear patio, plus your monstrous basement storage, furnace exhaust, big guy entry steps, leopard easy step, folds up on in, and we'll come on in here. Testament to quality here on the Katy Freeway, the silence, and all the fun control buttons. Let's bring that awning back in. We kind of left out a couple feet. There we go. Pan down around. Just do not have the rear back deck open. Apologies, we're running out of space. This one is priced to sell. Currently here at RVStationKaty.com. Residential refrigerator, French doors, the larger 4-burner stovetop oven, and as you see, the King Connect. Huge residential fridge. I believe that is the 23 cubic foot ice maker, dispenser, water dispenser, convection microwave, 4-burner stove, the King Connect, electric fireplace for both looks and heat, nice entertainment system soundbar, deluxe cabinetry all throughout, ceiling fan, and the aforementioned back deck, sliding glass door. Recliners can be moved anywhere. The optional ottoman. This particular one's equipped with the tri-fold sofa, as opposed to theater reclining seats, available should you order. Give me a call, Ted Loney, 713-443-0670. Let's head up to the mid-bunk area. Oh, apologies, as I nearly forgot. Dishwasher. And a nice large stainless sink here in your island. And did I mention dishwasher? Happy camping. Let's take a look here, because we have both pantry, central vac, your owner's manual, and the central vac tubes, attachments, another tri-fold sofa, the bunk up above. You see the 12-volt USB, in addition to storage, TV, entertainment throughout the mid-bunk area. And then, of course, the freestanding dinette, MCD solar and blackout blinds. And we'll head on up towards the loft area here, going up the hallway to the front of the coach, where we see the nice, easy access steps and a large, expansive loft area. 110, and of course the air intakes and vents, micro quiet side air intakes with the LV system from KZ to your main bath area. Large shower, nice deluxe shower fixtures, and pedestal toilet. Back to the solid surface, even here in the master bath. And come on up into the master bedroom, where you see your various storage, and of course the tilt bed on this model. Your washer dryer prep, and the other two seats for the dinette. Little built-in hamper, an additional closet space. As we open up this way to show you the other half of the closet. I do look forward to hearing from you soon, because as always, Ted Loney here, RV Station Katy. Looking forward to more happy camping. I'm on the wrong side for that switch. TV option and the fireplace here in the master bedroom. And of course your King Air. And since I found it, we're going to play with it. Maybe. Like so. Open up a little bit extra space here. Or prevent a little bit of snoring. Prefer reading in bed before crashing out. There you go. It's all towards, as I'm fond of saying, happy camping.